Hey guys, Jared from eaglelights.com, and today we are installing our Generation 1 LED headlight kit, black, on this 2003 Harley-Davidson. First thing you're going to want to do is remove the outer beauty ring. To do so, you're going to see a little screw down at the bottom. Take your Phillips head screwdriver and unscrew that. Remove the outer beauty ring. There are going to be 3 screws on this inner retaining ring. Whoops. Unplug your existing headlight. Take the new headlight, plug it in. Our outer beauty ring back on. We're going to swap out the passing light. To swap out the passing lights, you're going to want to take off the outer beauty rings. At the bottom of the beauty ring, Phillips head screw, you just have to unscrew it, take the outer ring off, disconnect the stock passing light. We're going to take the new passing light, our inner trim ring, and place it over the light, and plug it into the bike's harness. Coil up the harness and insert the light into the housing. Grab your outer beauty ring and place it over the passing light. Reversing the steps we used to take the stock light off, tighten the bottom bolt of the beauty ring. And repeat the same steps on the other side. All right, now that we have everything installed, we want to test it, make sure everything works. Low beam, passing lights, high beam.